Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to use Google Bard to create an excuse letter. So let's get started. To begin, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest doing so before proceeding. Once you are logged in, initiate a conversation by typing your query into the chat input box. For example, start with a prompt such as create a letter explaining my absence from work or school due to a headache. As you interact with Google Bard, it will generate a sample excuse letter based on your input. Take a moment to review the generated content and make any necessary adjustments to personalize the letter. This includes adding specific details like your name, address, recipient's name, date, and other relevant information. Personalization ensures that the excuse letter accurately represents your circumstances. Once you have made the edits, you can save the letter by taking a screenshot or copying the text to a document. Before finalizing, be sure to proofread the letter for accuracy and clarity. Once you are satisfied with the content, you will have a customized excuse letter ready to use for school, work, or any appropriate situation. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.